Hello guys, today we are going to see different ways we can shut down our Microsoft Windows 11 PC and laptop or desktop. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, so you can get notification for every video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First one, using the Start menu. Click on the Start, that is the Windows icon in the bottom left corner or bottom center according to your taskbar alignment. Click on the Power icon. Click on the Shutdown options. Second one, using the Power button. Locate the Power button on your computer's chassis. Press and hold the Power button until the computer shuts down. Third one, using the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Alt key. Press the F4 key. Choose Shutdown from the options. Fourth one, using the Command Prompt or PowerShell. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type shutdown/S and press Enter. Fifth one, using the Task Manager. Open Task Manager Control plus Shift plus Escape. Choose Run New Task. Type shutdown/S and press Enter. Sixth one, using the Windows Mobility Center. Press the Windows key plus X. Press U or click on the Shutdown or Sign Out option. Press U or click on the Shutdown option. That's it. These are the methods by which you can shut down your Microsoft Windows 11 PC and laptop or desktop. So, if you find these different solutions helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are not in the know. You can also suggest what topics we should make videos on in the comment section. Also, follow us on social media. The links are in the description and in the channel's About section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.